How to find the check-in time for Motel 6. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Motel 6 on your device. Here you'll find this kind of screen pop up. And as it's written here, early check-in policy. Early check-in may be offered as an optional service for an additional fee, subject to room availability and operational condition at the time of arrival, and also payment of the early check-in fee constitutes a request for priority access and does not guarantee room availability prior to the standard check-in time. While Motel 6 will make commercially reasonable efforts to accommodate early check-in requests, availability may be impacted by occupancy levels, maintenance requirements, also safety consideration, or other operational factors. And if early check-in cannot be accommodated, it will be refunded as well. This is how to find the check-in time for Motel 6. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.